Okie dokie. Boom, on time. I literally counted down the seconds into this so that I will not get yelled at for potentially being late again. Okay. It's hot as hell, but welcome to the furnace. Let's do this. I hope everyone's had an amazing time, an amazing sleep. Sorry, Bob, for waking you up. I feel bad now. I do feel bad. I'm so sorry. Interesting. Let's see. I don't know if it's gonna keep holding. Sorry. I was having discussions about the chart earlier. Let's see what we've got. We got London high there. London low is literally down here. We barely moved. I had a loss there. This would have been a win. You know, woulda, shoulda, coulda, right? It's fine. It is what it is. London high. We got London low right over here. Not there. They're close enough. So let's see what today brings. I mean, what is this range even? Okay, I guess 100 points is better than the other day when it only moved like 60 points. It's not bad. It could have been a whole lot worse, so it's fine. Let's see. It's not quite holding above that 26 zone. Let's see what else we get going, but so far, meh. So far, meh. Let's see if we get anything that confirms continuation to the buy side or not. I want to say yes, but this could very easily start to drop down. After yesterday's move, I won't be surprised with whatever happens. Okay. Noted. Noted, noted, noted. Sorry, as I'm streaming, I'm getting awesome tips and thoughts from people, so I love it. I love it. Always learning. One thing at a time. Where's everybody at? Oh, hi guys, what's up? How is everyone? Everyone's being awfully quiet today. I was gonna say, I know it's super hot, but I guess where you guys are might be super cold, but...
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Let's get the show on the road. I'm excited to see what comes from today. Am I having high expectations? No. Hey Theodora, what's up? How are you? How's it going? How's the trading been going? Manager Shinmei, hey! Yeah, did you guys get in any decent trades yesterday? How was it? I unfortunately had a little loss today. It's fine, right? Things happen. We continue. Let's see if we get any decent trades today during New York. It was kind of Chop City this morning, not gonna lie. Well, I say this morning, London session. Am I expecting it to stop chopping during New York? Not really. Not after the price action we had yesterday, and I see there's jolts at 10 AM as well, so it's kind of gonna be hands off until news. Well, let's see. It may come and surprise me. It may come and surprise me. So let's not speak too soon. Today my stop loss hit. Yeah, literally I took a trade here. I had the correct idea. I was looking for shorts, but I took it at the wrong time. I did make a note about it in my journal and in Discord, basically saying that I made a mistake of taking it at 4. I should have waited. So I was waiting for the confirmation at 4 for it to want to take the lows, and the confirmation was there. The problem is I should have waited until like what? 10 or so minutes after 4. I think actually, yeah, like 4:10 is when you get that solid move. Yeah, there we go, 4:10 is when you get that solid movement and the solid confirmation. So like I said, I had the correct idea, just the wrong timing, and I know where I went wrong. So it was a loss, but it was a lesson, so it's fine. Yesterday I took that long buy during New York, and I'm still holding the sell from London. Damn, Theodora, look at you go! What the heck, man? That is amazing! How long have you been trading for, Theodora? Oh, it's okay, Manager Shanae. It's part of it. I don't expect things to always be wins, and I also hope that they're not always losses. I mean, that would freaking suck. That won't be ideal, but it is what it is. We're gonna continue. There we go. I'm just responding to someone that's helping me. See, always gotta accept help and be willing to learn and get help from everyone, right? That's the only way to do it. Everyone's being awfully quiet today. What's up? I have a feeling quite a few people actually aren't going to trade today just because of yesterday's price action. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong. But damn, come on, peeps. Where you all at? I know it's a bit of a weird day. But you guys are being quiet. It's weird. Am I trading in Forex? No, I'm trading in the Nasdaq futures. It's only been 2 years of trading. Oh, good grief. Are you okay? Sorry, my dog is making noises. It's very hot here today. So you've only been trading for 2 years, and are you profitable yet? Are you trading live accounts? What's your story, Theodora? Sorry. Yeah, what's your story? Tell me a little bit about yourself. Always amazing to learn more about this awesome community of traders. Traders have to support traders, so well done. Just already, well done for taking that leap and sticking with it for 2 years. But seeming as we still have 9 minutes to chat, so let's do this. Let's get the chatting underway before New York opens. Like I said, I'm not expecting much. Yeah. I'm not expecting much because of yesterday's price action. It sounds like there's just absolute chaos happening in the political world as well, so I'm not expecting magic today, and that's okay. Hey Anshul, what's up? How have you been? How's the week going? The week is okay. Being a teeny tiny bit of a... I don't want to call it a red week yet. I mean, it is only Tuesday. Oh, gross. Things can have... Sorry, I'm gross. That's why I'm saying oh, gross. It's hot as hell here. So, yeah, yesterday, what happened? Yesterday, I took a partial and then got taken out of break-even, so I was in the green. And then that was followed by a stop loss, so that was obviously not ideal. And today I had a stop loss, so a little bit in the red. It's fine. It's fine. It's a little bit all over the place, but it's okay. What about you? How's it been going for you? I only started seeing results in early Jan this year. I'm trading props, and this is my second 25k prop account. Oh man, that's awesome! Well done. And what type of strategy do you use? So what is your strategy? What's your thing? Sure, well done. Seriously, well done. I cannot stress that enough. It's not easy, and like I cannot I know I kind of harp on about this a little bit, but I think people get into trading because they believe it's going to be quick and easy money. No. Definitely not a quick and easy money, and that's okay. I'm sure a sad, happy, I don't know if that's a sad or a happy face, but anyways, how's your trading week been going? Are we happy? Are we sad? Are we jumping up and down with excitement? Are we crying? Yesterday I felt like crying, but for no particular reason apart from the fact that it was just a bit of an emotional day. Again, no particular reason why. It was just a bit emotional, and so luckily I did tell myself to take a breath. Take a step back. Emotions happen. You just have to kind of continue, right? And you just keep on keeping on. I know that's a weird thing to say, but yeah, you keep on keeping on. I'm very much not used to you guys being so quiet, but it's okay. We're gonna just continue. Like I said, this has just been ranging. I mean, it's not a terrible move. I don't want to say we had a good move during London, because that's a lie, but yeah, it moved. Not very well, but it moved, so we're gonna just continue. And I mean, how big are these candles right now anyways? So we got 5 minutes to go until open. Wow. These candles right now are like 10 points. I want to say that's not bad, but it's really not great. Orb and support and resistance. Ooh, amazing. 5-minute orb, 15-minute orb. Which orb is your go-to? I've been kind of forward testing the 5-minute orb a little bit. I use it more as like a confluence, as well as the first present to pay value gap and the 9:30 a.m. opening range. It's been okay. Like, there's some days where it respects it really, really well, and then there's other days where might as well just not be there. But that being said, I'm pretty sure it's pretty much the same with majority of confluences. Sometimes the market respects it like solidly, and other days, eh. Hey, Super Hiker, what's up? Still willing to learn more, but for me, I think the more simple the strategy, there we go, the better. Theodora, I completely agree with you. Mine is stupid simple, because if I overcomplicate it, I overthink it. So mine is pretty stupid simple. Like, there's a lot to look out for, but it's pretty simple at the same time. Up or down when US open, holding on your silver. Super Heiko, to be honest, I'm expecting a bit of a sideways day, so let's see. Solly, what's up? I wish you can find which settings got changed and switch it back so my name appears in chat. Bob, I don't even know where to begin looking. I tried to Google it the other day. I know it's on my side, but where? I don't even know. I can quickly... let me see. What is this layout? The chat is super big. Is the chat super big? I need to refresh. What's happening? Let me have a look. Let me have a look, Bob. I nearly said Bog. I'm so sorry. Let me have a look, Bob. I'm sure there's a way to fix it. Does anyone know? OTT, you now have, you were supposed to stream like a month ago. Do you potentially know where in the settings it just decided to make it everyone's usernames instead of everyone's names? Tish, you're gonna go to temple for me to pray? What are you gonna pray about? OTT, oh, that I win good trade. Oh, you're a sweetie pie. I appreciate that. That's really, really nice. The chat is like the same size as my stream. That's weird. What the heck, man? Why? What? Good luck for today. Is it mainly indices you trade? Hey, what's up? So I trade the Nasdaq futures exclusively for now. So that's the one asset I've been trading, especially because I can start with the micros. So for anyone that is new, what's up? Hi, I'm Maya. And sweet and simply, I've only been trading for, well, a year in April. So not even a year yet. So that's super exciting. It's been going ups and downs as it is. Like I said, it feels like I'm at least at the 3 steps forward, 1 step back phase, which is better than like 3 steps back, 1 step forward any day. Okay, 1 minute to go. I'm still keeping an eye out. I caught his first stream for 2 seconds. Really? It's fine for me. I will stream for... I believe you. Microwave, what's up? I went to the horses, quick sticks. Yeah, I went to the horses, made sure my horse wasn't, dying from the heat. And now I'm back. OTT, it's fine for you. Yes, but I think your handle and your name are the same. Like, Bob on this is Facey TX, but that's like his handle name. It's not his YouTube name, if that makes sense. Oh, hello. Okay, well, there's... What the heck? So much for me going, it's gonna go sideways. So was London accumulation, and now we're gonna get... No, okay. It was just a bigger candle. Or maybe, Maya, here's a thought. Maybe be quiet until you get confirmations. Awesome. Good idea. Okay, moving on. What did I say is in 1 minute? Oh, the New York opening. Here we go. New York open. Took me years to gain consistency. Great to hear you're making progress so early on. Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. I really, really appreciate that. Listen, it's a lot of hard work and discipline. A lot. And there's some days where you question all your life choices. As I'm sure you guys have done the same. But let's see. It's YouTube. Can't do nothing about it. Oh. But I've heard on some channels it's still the same. So I'm so confused. I wonder why some channels it is and some channels it isn't. Yep, here we go. Okay, here's 9:30 range. Shoot, maybe it is just gonna be sideways today. That's kind of suck. Okay, wait. Nice push on ES. Tap back into... ES has been stronger than NQ the past few days. Like, pretty decently. So let's sorry, I thought there was a message. Well, there's 9:30 opening range. Let's see here. Whoop. Ugh, okay. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because I don't like how different ES and NQ are right now. That's not good. Okay, let's see. NQ looks like it's headed towards Asia low. Why do I use 14 day instead of 50 or 200? Sorry, what do you mean? Why do I use 14 day instead of 50 or 2? Huh? What do you mean by that? Sorry, maybe I'm being blonde. I haven't been trading today and I'm not that mad about it. No, Solly, there's a lot of people that are kind of actually staying hands off about today. Price action hasn't been great, so I'm going to be very... I don't want to say cautious, because cautious is not the right word. I'm going to be very selective, wait for solid confirmations before I do jump into a trade. Theoretically, that's a first presented photo. I mean, I don't know if that quite counts. I heard it wrong. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is what I'm confused about. Is New York open 8 a.m. or 9:30 a.m.? I thought it was 8 a.m. At 9:30 a.m. is New York open. Please, guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but 9:30 a.m. is New York open, right? I have it set at New York time. Oh, okay, cool. Jody, what's up? How are you? How was the rest of your day? How was gym? I sent you the trade. Please tell. I didn't take it. But I did see it, Juan. By the way, if we tag the first one and look for longs, if we close below, which I doubt will happen before 10 a.m., I'll short. Price would have smashed my target from London session. Oh, nice, Jordy. Would it not have taken you out first because it had this little bit of a pullback? Also, is this the first presented fair value gap? This itty bitty tiny thing, or not really? There's Asia low gone. Bye bye. I was a big scare yesterday. I almost have to go get a job or trade CFD. Yep. Loki still made 305 this morning on a shallow LQ from SIP. Microwave. Whoop whoop. That's amazing. So 8:30 a.m. is the opening for news and economic events. 9:30 a.m. is the opening for the New York Stock Exchange. Thank you, Sally. Juan, you say it's going to run away now. It took me out, yeah, but the target hit, which is like half a win. Oh, okay, my bad. I'm so sorry. Jordy, well done. Well done. Same here. Check. is what I was looking at. Oh well. It is what it is. Okay, so it looks like London was accumulation and now we have reversal, or do you think this is manipulation? Do you think this is potentially hectic manipulation? Struggle to stay above. Technically, this is the first present. Oh gosh. Okay, Geordie, does this count as the first presented? I'm a little bit embarrassed for it. Why I tagged one? Yeah, I don't know why I tagged myself. It's okay, OTT. It's okay. Main character vibes. Scrap that. I'm pulling up the charts. We're moving. Yeah, no, Solly, I wasn't expecting it to actually move, but we are indeed moving. Like, does this really count as a first presented fair value gap? Oopsies. Oh my gosh. If you have to zoom in this much, I don't know if it does, but I mean, theoretically, it is. It's just itty bitty baby. It's an itty bitty baby. It's a proper itty bitty baby. So here's the 5 minute. I'm gonna mark out the 5 minute and the 15 minute today. We're still in the 5 minute. Let's see if this would have. Nope, would have missed. Okay, let's see what we get now. Hey, go have fun. What's up, Theodora? I'm out and I'm up $10 on both accounts. Hey, whoop whoop, Theodora, well done. So from my findings, seems like US-based ones are more likely to flop, but then again, any prop can ditch us as they please. My level is at 707 right now. If we hold, we can enter sweep of London low. So now we wait. Okay. Okay, that's it. 100%, that is. I'm sorry, a win is a win. See on NQ Mini, if that NC gap is there, if it is, you're golden. Oh, okay. That's why I bought more CFDs, bigger sizes just in case. Really such a rush when you're right. Ember, I'm on. Oh, no, don't worry. I was looking here. Don't worry, and I read correctly 707, unlike this morning. Gosh, guys, this morning was weird. It's okay. We're bound to have some weird streams in between normal, right? Anyways, I mean, today's price action was, well, okay, not today's price action. London's price action was so ding-dang boring that the conversation was just weird, but it's because price action was just not price actioning. Why do I feel like I moved one of these? And that one of these is not correct. These do not look even. Why did they not look even? Oh well, it's fine. Moving on. No, it is. Okay, never mind. I'm clearly just seeing things. Ignore me. That means it's gonna hurt when you lose 10k, my bad. Oh, wait, what? You're up 10k? Theodora? Damn, that's really good. What the heck, man? If I take small loss, I only trade and I think that's my favor. By the way, this chart's moving. It's either can be super choppy or we're gonna go and have a really nice move. How do I put this? I'm still not convinced that we are out of the woods from having a chop session. I'm at 14k. Whoop whoop, guys. Damn, share in on the love. Good grief, people. Nah, I'm just kidding. You guys do you. Like I said, I'm gonna wait for solid confirmations before I do anything. Silly Billy took that out. Let's see if we continue a little bit further now. This would be a nice point of interest as well. Going down there a little bit further. How does this look on the higher time frames? Where's a nice point of interest on the higher time frames? Let's also do that. Let's do that. So we don't have that in the way. 5 minutes. Triple N-log Vortex magnet from yesterday below price. I remember that. Okay. I'm looking at the NAS 100. It's still not showing a good sign of strong buy or sell. It's a matter of waiting. It's still neutral. Thanks, Tom Lee. I agree. You don't think it's going to want to now just come and slowly start taking out all of this freaking imbalance that it left just chilling here from yesterday? So definitely this 805 level, continuation down into this bit of an order block on the 5 minute. Like I said, this is huge. This gap here is huge. Everyone careful of your eyes. Where's that NWOG from yesterday? Here. Nope, not that. Yes. Around to this level to come and mitigate some of this imbalance that's been going on from yesterday. Here we go, there's level to level. Let's see, let's go back to the 1 minute quickly. Sorry, I know I'm talking to myself. It's what I do best. Okay. A little tap down there. I'm again still not a fan of how ES looks compared to NQ. ES is not moving and NQ is dropping solidly. It's been flagging overnight with all the dope trending, so we should be alright today, hopefully. Microwave, you're saying for the shorts, right? Just don't answer yourself. Thanks, brightest future. I mean, sometimes I need a conversation with someone that's like-minded. And who is more like-minded than this weirdo right here? Just kidding, just kidding. You guys are like-minded people, or else I would not be talking to you. Let's just be real. Like I said, it's why I can't have conversations with my friends about trading, because they look at me like I'm a crazy person. Which is rude. It's rude. It is just rude. And no. No. Can't believe you didn't take that short on that 1 minute confirmation candle. What, this one here? Is that the short you were talking about, Bob? It wouldn't have tagged me in if that's what you are saying. Are you talking about this? Which one are you talking about, Bob? Hoping for shorts I can get a nice reversal. Holy guacamole. Yep, down back to that NWOG. Now it finally started to drop. He is flying now. Yep. Oh, the level to level setup. Bob, I haven't been... How do I put this? I haven't been brave enough to do the level to levels yet. The 937. Oh, this proper engulfing candle after the doji. Like I said, I've not been confident enough to take the level to level yet. Trading talk with people who don't trade is like talking to a rock. Oh, that's so valid. Or they just sit there and judge you, and then they ask all these weird and wild questions, and you sit there and you're like, you know, if you don't know anything about the topic, maybe shush. Next level down, 699 on ES. $6,990. Oh damn. Okay, you think this is gonna go down to $6,990? Sorry, I'm being quiet because this is just running away without me. On ES, this would be nice, but... Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Gotta just continue. Potential confirmation for another level to level there with that rejection. Like I said, Bob, I have been forward testing level to level. I'm taking that freebie and running. See you tomorrow, and you damn, Solly. Look at you go. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop indeed. There we go. Sorry. Whoop whoop for anyone that's in this. Well done. That is amazing. Bob, did you take that, by the way? Did you then take it for that nice scalp? 75% partial taken. If not 699, close back above 706. I feel a little guilty. I didn't expect that. You should feel guilty. Disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Nah, I'm messing with you. I'm happy for you, Solly. Nope. Maybe it works out, but nope. Not forgetting the trading influences in SA making people think it's all a scam. No, that's valid. I mean, I'm from South Africa, but yes. That's why, like I said, every single thing I do is live. So every single trade I take is live for everyone to see. So you can literally witness all the losses, all the wins. So there's no scamming. I'm not in the background losing extra, or I'm not in the background winning more and being like, look at me go. No, what you see is what you get. Like yesterday was a bit of an emotional day. For what reason? I was just having a bad day, I guess. Today I've got my head screwed on correctly. A little bit more correct, that's fine. I had a little loss this morning during London. Was my fault. I should have waited after the 4 a.m. candle, but I took it on the 4 a.m. candle. So again, for me, it was more of a lesson than a loss. But yes, like you said, it doesn't help that a lot, not all, before people come at me, not all South African traders or scammers, but a lot tend to be. So I try and be as open and honest as I possibly can on this channel, so that people can be like, oh, okay, she's, I don't know, she's being honest about the whole situation, I guess. Candle, grade 5s. I've been streaming from a balcony overlooking the pyramids. It's wild how much environment impacts focus. Auto magic developer, that's freaking awesome. What the heck, man? Are you also trading at the same time? I got fun and my dad said, well, make sure you don't lose money. Well, then, Mike, I'm not you. Oh, like they're the mafia, that's hilarious. Tagged out, can't complain. Well done, Solly. Huge whoop whoop, that's amazing. Well done. It was hard to trade yesterday. Yeah. It was, especially, so wasn't the easiest day. It doesn't help that mentally I wasn't in the correct space either. So yesterday was just not a good day. Today I had the correct setup. I just, wrong timing. And I even took note, it's fine, it's fine. I took note of it already. I've journaled it. It's done. It's in the past. Now, like I said, with today, well, specifically New York session today, only A+ setups. Only once I've got my confirmations. I'm sticking with my rules. I'm sticking with my setup. I'm not going to jump in and do anything silly-billy. Discipline, discipline, discipline. I haven't started a new eval, but I'm low-key pretending like I have. So I'm pretending this is just a brand new eval, so I have all the leeway and whatever that I need. Yeah. So I'm just heads up on what the mindset is right now. Wait, I show my mom cold hard cash from payouts and she still thinks I'm playing a video game. Sully, that is hilarious. Oh, you're legit been following you a bit now, and I'm also from SA. Theodore, I did think so, but you know, don't assume. What part of SA are you from? Okay, let's try a shorty short. This is what the source levels are for. Fingers crossed. C plus VP live test. Subject. Oh no. Okay, so you're trying a short here. Nice. Here's the 15-minute range. Okay, so taking note of the 15-minute range as well today would be from here to the bottom of this. What's this? 9:43 candle. Let me make a mark here. 9:43 as well. Didn't quite retest that far up. Did it retest to there? Oh, damn it. Retested to there. I would not have taken that range though, sweet and simply because this did not retest the 50%, so to use that range makes no sense. Sorry, just talking out loud. Like you said, it's when the voices start answering back that we can all get concerned, but they're not answering back, so everyone chill. PBJs, no way. That's 230.50 minute opening range. What? Sorry, I didn't even check the points. I was just like, huh. Oh, damn. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Cool. Outing Johannesburg. Hey, amazing, Theodora. That's awesome. How is it? I recently moved from there. I'm now KZN satellite. I'm glad I have my boots on today. We're getting deep in this chat. Oh, I know exactly what you're talking about. Wait, are you talking about me or other people, Bob? Bob quote. Bob quotes. Bob quotes. Bob quotes. Oh my gosh, I forgot to do Friday Bob quote. Oopsies. OMG, I just banned someone for the first time this year. I forgot about that power. Grief. Do you feel good about yourself now, Solly? Are you like, oh, winning? Absolutely winning. Level to level. Let's see. Waiting for confirmation. That range. I still don't like how ES looks compared to NQ, but I mean, they're starting to look a little bit more similar. A teeny tiny little bit. Let's see. Ugh. What did the percentage? Ayo, Platinum Player, what's up? How goes it? Am I stacking up paper? Not really today, not gonna lie, but it's okay. It's okay. One step at a time. One step at a time. That's it. That's it. Just one step at a time. I'm being extra cautious today. I think yesterday mentally I wasn't in a great space, so just taking a bit of a breather. Hey, Moses, what's up? Nathaniel! Tell me your bias is bullish, man, because I think bearish is leaving the house. Oh, interesting, Nathaniel. Really? What makes you think that? To be fair, I started this day with a bullish bias. I was expecting a bit of a retest. It's still going bearish, so I was clearly incorrect. Things happen, right? Can't always be right. Making sure it pushes up now. That's good news. Just being a... All good, Bobsters. How you doing? Okay. Good trade going now. I wanted to hit you up for some DAX futures levels back testing purposes. Whoop whoop. Jordy, whoop whoop. Amazing. Hey, whoop whoop for anyone that's had a win. Well done up in this house. What did I just say? Okay, we're gonna pretend like I didn't just say that. We're gonna pretend like I'm normal and that was not something I just said out loud. Moving on. Still hasn't retested all the way to that percent. That's great, that's annoying. When's the news? Okay, the news is in a few minutes. I was gonna say I don't... I hate this a little bit more. I was gonna say I don't hate this, potentially, but I hate that it's now gone level to level, and here's that NWOG, and it's going down there like a magnet. Damn, Solly, if you didn't get out, you would have still been good to go. Damn, look at you go. Look at you go, Solly. Proud. I was about to say that's cringe up for the... I am aware, okay? I get it. You guys can start calling me Cringe Maya. Anyways, slow and steady wins the race. I hear that. If you check the 15-minute, we took the liquidity at the left. If going down, it will go down a bit and bounce up if I'm not wrong. Gotta say. How many days do I trade? How often do I get profits? What's my win ratio? Do I like investing? One word about trading as per your mind. Please don't lie. Wow, okay, let's go through that one step at a time while I'm waiting for potential confirmations here. Ooh, that was a lot. Okay, so one thing at a time. How many days do I trade? 7 days a week, twice a day, London and New York open. So let's say roughly 4 to 5 hours a day, depending on the day and the price action. This is just running away without me. Anyways, so that's that. How often do I get profits? It really depends on the day and the price action. I can have some days where I don't trade at all, and I can have some days where I get like 2 to 3 trades. Are they all winners? No. My win rate is... Let me not lie. Let's rather say 60%. I was gonna say 64%, but let's say 60%. 60% win rate with a 1 to 2 R ratio. I do leave runners as well, but 1 to 2 Rs. Do I like investing? I don't know enough about investing. I was actually having discussions with people this morning with regards to investing. One word about trading. I don't understand this question. I don't understand that last question. One word about trading. Grind. Right, grind. Gotta put the grind in. Gotta put the time. Gotta put the grind. Gotta keep grinding. Yes, I will just go with that. This is what I hope the source levels would help me achieve to catch a small scalp, and I normally would believe I'm too late. Hey Mucus, what's up? How you doing? It's a German index futures thingy thing. Say whatever you want. You still fly as... Oh, platinum player, you were sweep. I thank you. I appreciate that. I know it's like he is tick value wise, but it's just isn't adding up. Really hard not to overthink it though. Don't do that, her head's gonna explode. Listen here. Listen here. I don't think I'll ever consider myself... I don't even want to say the F word, famous, okay? I truly and honestly don't believe I will ever be that. Maybe that's just me being a little negative Nancy, but... Anyways, because Solly keeps saying I'm gonna get a big head. Rude. Anyways. Leave the trash alone if you're not adding up. Hey Maya, how you doing, girl? Ninja, what's up? How are you? Have I got another monitor or just one? Microwave? Well, I have one with the OBS open with the chat and one with my trades open. So, I guess 2 monitors, but yeah. One word, stressful. Oh, I love that. Good question, I love that. Hey, Witcher, what's up? I'm in meetings, but I have a short from full TP of 150. Damn, okay, bigger hit. Solly's mission in life is to be a bully. I'm convinced about that. Solly's mission in life is to just bully me. Retest into the 15-minute wouldn't be the worst thing to see here. Is it going to though? Potentially not. This is just running away from me. It is what it is. It's tapped into the end. Oh god, my gosh, this is still going. What the heck, man? Okay, this is still going. Awesome. Next bob level to bob level. I want to chase this and become rich, but Sensei said no, so dem's the rules. No, I hear you. I'm also like, I could just mark it in. But that's bad. I really wanted to mark it in earlier as well, and I was like, no, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I'm gonna do something dumb and I'm gonna regret it, and then I'm gonna be mad at myself. Let's not do that. Let's stick with the rules. If the setup doesn't show up, then the setup doesn't show up. But rules are rules. What's up, Willifru? How are you? It's just dumb. It really is. What the heck, man? Envy you for reals. Lately, I'm traumatized after being taken out in all trades that went my way afterwards. I can't execute no more. I'm so scared to take a trade. How do you handle those moments? Oh, Nathaniel. Oh, Nathaniel. I still have those moments. I think you just have to... Like, it sucks, but you just have to keep taking your A+ setups. Obviously, maybe wait for confirmation that it's the type of market you want. Like, theoretically, the market this week and the end of last week has not been the market I like, because it's either been running away or consolidating. Neither of those work for my strategy, which is where I really need to start learning the correct executions of the bob levels, because then I could market in for the bob levels, get quick little scalps going on when it starts running away. Because yeah, I mean, honestly, bob level to bob level, done, dusted. Here's New York low that it's about to freaking take out. Oh, there's those equal lows from yesterday that I thought it would take out before going to the buy side. Yeah, it just is what it is. You keep taking your A+ setups, and if you're taking your A+ setups and they're not working, why? Right? Does that make sense? Why did they not work? Was it just a bad price action day? The price action wasn't correct for your strategy? Was it maybe you need to have a look at your A+ strategy? Maybe you have to double check like the time of day. Maybe the time you executed your strategy was incorrect. So you just, even if you just paper trade for a little bit, get your confidence back into your strategy and then almost start fresh from there, but you just paper trade and go from there. I might reach 2545 support on the 15-minute. I'm so smart. Thanks for asking. Already fed the duck. May I get a whoop? Of course you may. Ninja. Whoop whoop a ninja. What the heck, man? Whoop whoop for feeding the duck and being in the green. There we go. There's your whoop whoop specifically for you. I gotcha. I'm patiently waiting for my prices. I hear that. Have you found a setup? Was it just running away? On, you're loving this. I can imagine you are. Sully, I hope you're treating Maya better today. Nope, he's not. He just said that I have a big head. So it's okay. I told you, Maya, in the London Kill Zone that today is bearish. You did indeed. Very nicely called. Very nicely called. Yeah, I dialed it back a little bit. Oh, only a little bit. Still being mean, but dialed back. But still mean. So that's okay then, right? Just gotta keep pulling faces at you. Yay. Okay, I'm not taking this, just by the way, definitely not taking this because... Nope. It has... I guess this has 2 confluence? Yeah, this has 2. It's also quite big. How big is this range? Oh, no, I can't even take this. Never mind. I think even one contract will be over what I'm willing to risk with this, so never mind. So there's a thing called the consistency rule with props that literally sucks. The equivalent of performance punishment. I've heard about the consistency rule, yeah. especially when you're funded, right? It doesn't matter so much when you're not funded, but yeah. Make sure some of your profits go to investments. This is my last friendly advice. Don't regret about invest when you get 40 plus. Thanks. Well, like I said, I was having discussions about it this morning. I would just have to do proper research on which is the best to actually invest in and how to go about doing it and like the amount and. Ninja, did I catch any entries during London? I did. It was unfortunately a loss, but oh, let's go up. I can show you. Not this, ignore this. This was me testing something. Would have been a win, but it's fine. This was the one I took. So it did have my A+ setup, but I made the mistake of taking it at around 4 a.m. So like I said, it was definitely a lesson. It had my 3 confluences and I took it for the correct contract size, but it was around the 4 a.m. Next time I must remember to wait for confirmation before I hop in on that. Gotta wait for that confirmation after 4 a.m. before trying to get in on that for the better trade. So it was like straight to stop loss, but it was the correct idea of wanting to see a sell happen. Just wrong time. So that's what I mean by timing. This was another trade I was looking at, and as you can see, was it from here? Yep. Check there. That actually would have been quite a good trade up and straight down to TP, but I wasn't trusting this price action that was happening earlier. I mean, for valid reason, it was kind of going sideways, but it's okay. And this is now just still running away. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. We're gonna go take out New York now? Maybe, potentially. Look at the volume difference between London and New York. It is. Hey Tyler, what's up? Just made 3K on Nasdaq melt now. What the heck, man? What? Huh? That's nice. I need some love, guys. I'm not doing too great, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. No. When it runs away, it's not good for my strategy. Sorry, can you see that? That's low-key FOMO, because I'm like, oh, you guys are all doing so well, which is amazing. Well done. Well done. Well done. It's just... I don't even want to say it's fear of missing out. It's sadness of missing out. It's SOMO. Look, it's going to reverse. This is the area. We're in the eye of the storm of the triple N-log. Dun dun dun! Not a bad entry and yet bad timing. It's just that Leo app in close proximity that gives me the heebies. Ninja, I love it, the heebie-jeebies. She's going to my original TP. Hey, one, that's amazing! Comparison is the thief of joy. Don't do that. No, 100%. No, you're right. You're right. Now you sound like Rip. Damn, Solly. You are learning from Rip. Just saying. Well, you see it still has a problem holding above 25850. It really does. So all-time highs aren't in the mix just yet, right? I sent it to you. I know, but you know me and my consistency with my strategy. You know me. I twice in the 1 minute. I had a small pullback. Ooh! Look at you go, Tyler. Creepy. Sorry. That was... Nice. That was amazing. That was really, really good. Solid damn. Ah, okay. I no longer want to call it fear of missing out. It's SOMO. It's the sadness of missing out. The fear of missing out would be placing silly billy trades. No, leave it alone. My consistency rule punishes you based on your best day. So if your best day is $1,000, your account must be of that best day for you to take a payout. Like I understand the concept behind it. I get it. Isn't it? Sorry, I was actually watching video literally about this earlier today before the London stream. Isn't this only something that came into effect like 2 to 3 years ago? Apparently. Like I said, I was literally watching a video about the consistency rules earlier today. And apparently some of them say you have to be trading for a minimum of a few days to be able to take it. Like some say 3 days, some say like 10 days, which I think is a bit much. Literally fell asleep waiting for that meltdown. I almost missed it. Damn, Tyler, that would have been bad. But I'm glad you didn't. Well done. Oh, I covered all 2 candles in when I logged on. Crazy pre-COVID. Yep, they're clamping down on making people profitable. See, that really... I would say that really sucks, but I guess then it makes no difference to me because it's all I've obviously known. Also, obviously I'm not funded yet, so it makes no difference to me yet. But for people that knew it before this was a thing, that must really, really suck. You've been so used to doing it one way and it was amazing that way that you did it, and now it's no longer like that, so it must really, really hurt. Hey, Simplify, what's up? Breaking news, we have a lot of people running around trying to gain back the losses while the big boys and big banks are still at watch people in desperation. When will they learn? Hey, Chomley, what's up? You could buy 20 accounts, 10 long, 10 short off New York Open, 10 hit stop loss, 10 hit TP. Tomorrow, 5 long, 5 short. Now you're funded with 5 accounts. Like, have you ever done that? Sorry, my brain's just going, what the heck? Have you ever done that, Solly? Then there's hidden rules in your contract that stipulate you can only use half your usual contract size limits, and if you breach it, then they can pull your account. Sorry, did you see me pulling a face? It's silly. Like, I get it. It doesn't make it less silly. 1, 2, that only would have had 2, that would have been a B setup. Looks like potentially it would have been a winner, but only a B setup. Sorry, looking from here to here. Okay, yeah, like I said, only a B setup, nothing amazing going on here. Still hasn't taken out the low. We're gonna create an SMT. Maybe. Yep. My last account breached like that, but getting funded in one thing, keeping it is something else. Best way to do that is with different firms, but it works. Again, have you actually done that? What? Here's the lowdown. Investors fleeing to gold and silver. Gold increasing 1% daily. This is the bottom falling out the market. Yeah, a little bit. It makes sense. With all the fear and the whatnots going on, I'm not really surprised. Here's the New York low. Do you think this is going to go to those equal lows? Come on, I mean, those equal lows are quite nice. If I do say so myself. See, this was a potentially really nice confirmation. That's just too far and too ridiculous. I can't even pretend like I can take that right now. Didn't break above. This might still continue to the sell side. Let's see if it breaks below here. Then if we get a pullback, if it goes to around here and we get a pullback, I would be happier with that. Nope. Nope. One, two. One, two. Again, this is a B setup, not an A plus setup. My target 25096. Oh, what? I forgot that your target is 25096 because I think I said that the last time as well. We're just raking it in. I'm going crazy. My, but only do that once you prove yourself on an eval, or you just blow it on the fund. It's, oh no, 100%. I cut it 110. Damn, Chris, whoop whoop, indeed. Oh no, you could, but drooping your hypotheticals and calling it calculated risk is 12. My. Oh, bless me, I'm so sorry. Oh, Rip Junior. No, Solly, that's you now, just say. We swept yesterday in New York AM low, so you're out. Parallel not converging anytime soon, so the slide is going to be the norm for today. I wouldn't hate seeing it take out these equal lows, but is it gonna after that madness we just witnessed? We need to break now or I'm out. Oh, thanks, Solly. You did? When did you call it? You weren't on here the other day. 10:16. And this is why we wait for confirmations. Tapped into that order block and boom. Like I said, that was a B setup that would have taken me out. There's that FOMO that would have kicked in. Yes, that would have been the fear of missing out. Oh, that would have hurt my feelings. Da, 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 da. Oof. I deserve that one. Okay. Is it bad? I mean, you could even see I set it up. I desperately wanted to actually mark it in at the 0.5 level when it came back down. But it's bad, don't do that. It's bad, don't do that. Don't do it, leave it alone. Let's see if I should have done it or if I'm happy that I didn't do it. See? Stick to your rules. Don't be a silly goose. I saw the writing on my bank account over 2 weeks ago. The entire market collapsed until I this morning. All day. Really? Hey, thanks, Ninja. Oh, I'm so glad. I didn't watch it, but awesome. I did one of the NMOG's lows at 528ish, and I put my stop loss at 530. Got me by 1 point.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Why? Why is that what you want to be calling Amaya? Why is... Mean! Damn! And here you are saying, I tuned it down a little bit. Liar, liar, pants on. Higher. Okay, so you're looking for longs now. We call that the Maya special. Wow. Sorry, I had to check the charts quickly. Don't you worry. I'm just being bullied by Solly. Rude. Anyways. I'm back. Sorry, I had to check the charts. Getting good at seeing them. You just need to do some back testing to give your execution and confidence. Thanks, Ninja. I appreciate it. Like I said, I'm again not great at seeing them, but slowly but surely, I guess, right? Slowly but surely. Longs are not the trade to win. She almost 1 hour. No, Solly, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Friendly banter's everything. You gotta let the children win sometimes, right? See, I can be mean too. Gotta let the babies feel like they're in control. See, I can sometimes be sassy. What am I listening? Oh, I wasn't listening to anything. Sorry, Bob, did you see this? It's a meme. Bob, are you watching? It's this. Sorry, is it a little bit loud? What did I say? Only a day of trending with an overnight flag. Told you it would be okay. Exactly, it's our turn. Oh, I watched that. Wow. Wow. Just wow. I am like, I'm 2 years older than you. I mean, I'm 7 years older than OTT, but still. OTT, are you still here? Oh, you're referring to this that I've got hooked up? No, it's so that I can the hearing aid. Oh, and that goes into the Bob quotes. That goes into the Bob quotes. Microwave, I'm 27. I'm 27. That was brilliant. Anyways, so I'm not listening to anything. It's so that if people who are members do play memes, I can hear them. That's about it. Yeah, that is, so it's for that reason that I can hear any of the memes that go. 37. Good grief. Solly, we didn't ask for your age, did we? I'm dishing it back today. You best believe it. I'm back. Back for vengeance. Boom. Your turn. Maya's 27, single and ready to mingle. I'm 21, old lady. You know what? I will happily be the auntie of the group. You know, it's screwed. Happily. I'm the cool fun aunt. That's a little bit crazy. Yes, this coffee is from this morning, but at least now it's nice and cold. Well, is anything cold here in South Africa right now? Maybe not. I think cold is the wrong word. Tyler, you're a 2003 baby? Oh my gosh, my ID starts with a 19, not a 20. Wow, yep, so in TV there's a drawing tool you can use to help you spot them. It's called Elliott Correction Wave under Patterns. Ooh, okay, let me copy this and I'll have a look at it, because then I can use it. Add it to my notes. Like I said, this porno thing is crazy. Got a bunch of indicators here as well. I slipped it by stop limit triggers limit order, but yes, I'm not getting enterprise came back that week. Like I said, I learning a lot. Good thing, but a lot. No, it's very easy to say shoulda, coulda, woulda. Leave that alone. Let's see, that's a nice, decent wick off of that bob level. Let's see if it's gonna continue back down now. Nice, 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 nice. This is that wick off of that bob level that I was liking. So if I had marked it in for a sell here. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. I have an A+ setup. Shoot, no! Don't run away without me! Come back! Jack, come back! Come back! No! Come back! Who knows where that's from? If you don't know where that's from, you are way too young. No! No, if I had retested, it would have been perfect. Why did you not retest that level? That level was amazing. I like that level. You little sugar honey iced tea. I like that. There it's going for the equal lows. I mean, to be fair, I still don't hate this. If it comes to retest back up, I still don't hate this. Okay, let's see. Then a good spot is those equal lows. It's a really nice spot. There there we go. Equal lows just below. No, this is just gonna go away without me. Oh, literally, this would be so nice. This would be so nice. This would be amazing. Right by the equal lows. 194. Retest into there. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna have to go for the lower one. Maybe it's a mistake, maybe this is gonna bounce off too much, but I have 1, 2, 3, I actually have 4 confluences. Technically 5, the bottom of the view app as well. 5, and I have equal lows as a really nice reference point. Okay. Maybe this is a mistake, maybe it's not. At least it's not a 7. Okay, like I said, maybe it's a mistake. If it is what it is. It's gone into that level. If it is, then it's just not my day and it's fine. I'm just short points based on the point that I had my trades consistency rule. Up to day. Does not count. I need therapy. Why, Bob? Why? What happened? Order filled. And it might be order stopped, but let's see. I like that it's respecting there. I need it to respect a little bit more. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. I'm actually just gonna go hands off completely for this. Let's see what happens. Your coffee, I believe. I think yeah? Sorry, Bob, you were asking what type of coffee? Stop booking payouts. I'm tired of being circused. Paid. I hear that. Well. Nah, shoot. Maybe I entered at the exact wrong spot, but it's okay. Wait, let me also double check the time. Maybe it's a bit late to check the time, but no. Okay, I'm leaving it alone. Why you look stressed? You need another cup. I don't think more caffeine is the way to go. Just saying. I don't think more caffeine is it, but it's fine. Oh, thanks, Tyler. Yeah, guys, don't forget to press that like button. Taking these trades, I'm hands off now. Whatever happens, happens. I'm just gonna wait for the beep. Let's just wait for the beep. But, Bob, you said you need therapy. I hear that. Me too. Why do you need therapy? Freedom Dean, oh man, losing money again. I mean, that's mean. You might be right, but it's still mean. At least I have a nice target, the equal lows as my TP. Oh dear. Let's see, maybe it was a mistake. Maybe it wasn't, but I waited for it. OTT, this is painful. Why? I mean myself. Oh, I thought you were talking about me, and I was like, yeah, you're not wrong. OTT, why did you say that? What's painful? What did I do? Now you make me, like, triple guess everything. Just sit for 15 minutes. That's valid, I guess. I can't, I don't know if that's valid, but anyways, let's see what happens. Freedom Dean, how did you lose money? What happened? Tell Auntie Maya, because apparently that's who I am now. I had the right bias for shorts, no entry, now waiting for longs, and it ain't longing. Are you in a long though, OTT? Simplify, I'm in a short, not set up for short. I'm currently in a short. I looked, maybe that was a mistake. Don't look. You'll just tell me for beeps. Auntie Maya will listen to your problems. At least I'm the fun aunt, right? I'm the fun chilled aunt. Go bring your horse into the room and show us some tricks while we wait. My horse does not stay on the property that I live on, just by the way. I wish, that would be freaking awesome, but no, he stays far away, unfortunately. I can show you my dog. Nope, no entry function just yet. I'm about to log. Thanks, microwave. Do I do bedtime stories? I struggle with sleep. You know what? Samesies. I also struggle with sleep, so we can be struggling together. Next candle is for short entry. Well, let's see if you're correct, Semperfi. Let's see what happens. Like I said, I'm not even leaving partials. I'm not even... Ooh, maybe I should take a partial. Should I take a partial? Nah, I'm not even gonna take a partial. We're just dumping this, just a minor pullback. Yeah, that's why... Let's see. Let's see. I like where my TP is by the equal lows. If short, your next target, in my opinion, is 348. You lie. 348. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Let's do this. Sorry, not 2. Make it 1. If this even gets there, right? At this point. One at the equal lows. One at the next bob level. Or London low. Maybe London low. I have it at 355. Let's see. Struggle snuggles. I mean, sorry, I did want to say that and I was like, maybe I shouldn't say that. Maybe that's a bad idea. Am I still having selling buyers after a huge sell-off? Hey, Mr. Bale. Sweet and simply, I just had an A+ setup, so I took my A+ setup. That's it. Yeah. I know there was a massive sell-off, so maybe it's incorrect. But yeah, we already swept Asia and I am going for one more. It's a bit greedy, but that's what I would be targeting. I'm done for today. I'm hungry. My willpower is getting low. Go eat some food, Solly. This might take me out. This might indeed be painful. It's when I start messing around with things that I feel like it just goes, heh heh. It's fine. It's fine. Are you hangry, Solly? Is that what's happening? Solly is hangry. It's like I said, I'm actually not even gonna watch. I'm just gonna keep chatting to you guys. You guys tell me everything. I do understand that hangry thing, though. I'm so tired. Sleeping at 5 AM was not the plan. What? 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 Why did you? What? Why? Is this a Venom model playing out? I could be wrong. I'm looking at half a chart. Sorry, I don't know. What is a Venom model? I don't even know what that is. So that I can't help you with that one. Angry. Yes, angry is a thing. Which, yeah, I haven't had a great few days. I was close, now I'm back down to like 52, basically. It's okay. I was binge watching Supernatural. We were talking about... So Dean Winchester is my celebrity crush all the way. I don't know how we got onto that topic, but we were on that topic yesterday. No, sorry, this morning. He is my celebrity crush. Always and always. If it reaches the 50%, I'll mitigate risk by half. And mitigate risk by... I don't know if it's a great idea because it's choppy, but we're gonna mitigate risk by half because Dem's the rules. Dem's the rules, yeah. I took short from top, but I haven't exited midway, thinking it would reverse, but it went further down. Now I'm trying to take long as it's in support, but I may be wrong. Well, let's see, Mr. Bale. Breaking news, we're live with Maya China. As you can see, she's still trading Nasdaq at consolidation phase, trying to catch them greens, while the phase has been going on since. Wow, thanks, Tom Lee. Based. It's been fun. Thanks for having me. Aw, cheers, Ninja. Have an amazing day. Venom is a fast reaction from a fair value gap. That's... Oh! Oh. Interesting. Why not Sam? I have no idea. I can't... I mean, he's cute. He's cute, don't get me wrong, but... Dean, 100%. David looks like Dean went... No, not David. Michael. Mudcrab, apparently. Apparently. I have no idea. Go break even when TP1 hits. Yes, no, 100%. That is definitely the plan. Definitely. Break even when TP1 hits. Hey, Jody, what's up? I'm not looking at anything anymore. I'm just carrying on. TP1 is equal lows. TP2 is London low. It's always Dean. Justice for Sam. He's good looking as well. It's just Dean is... I don't want to say better because that sounds rude, but yeah. Look at S&P. Yeah, I still want S&P to break below. Would be great. Come on, S&P, break below. Like I said, Sam is also good looking. Don't get me wrong. I don't know, Dean is just awesome. Let it rip until you pass the account. I wish it was... I wish it was that easy. You know Vampire Diaries? Yes, I do. I know Vampire Diaries. Why? I'm peacefully done. Dean is a cheeseburger eating legend. Oh! The shade! Anyways. Nah, it's bloody red today. Oh no, Justin, what happened? It's okay, I'm also in the red today. Damon or Stefan, answer wisely. Damon. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. If I lose a sub here, I know why. Oh my goodness. If I lose a sub here, I know why. I'm so sorry. I know. It's like basic. Oh, it's valid. Yes. Okay. Thank heavens. Stefan's actually quite annoying. Sorry. Now we're talking like a bunch of teenage girls, but I'm down for it. Is that a coin flip? Really? Like, he's okay. I don't know. I just prefer David. No, that still didn't break how I'd want to see it break. This might come take me out at half loss. Let's see. Stefan levels are not valid. Damn! Klaus. Oh, Jordy. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Okay. Like the bad boys, we should tell David he's using the wrong strategy. Viscosity of trade improving momentarily. Like I said, I'm actually not even paying attention until I hear a beep. I'm just gonna keep finishing this morning's copy. You know, it's nice and cold now, so, you know, it's kind of like an iced coffee. If I hear a beep, well, I can see it's going up right now, so it won't be a happy beep, but let's see. Oh, it's fine. Oh my god. Doesn't Matt Drive look like Dean? Google it and tell me I'm wrong. I know Matt Drive, don't worry. In a way, I guess you're not wrong. Dean is just better. Like I said, he will always be my #1 celebrity crush. Just saying. If he had to come on and comment on one of my anything, I might faint. I might just faint on the spot. You thought I was fangirling over ICT being on the stream. If anyone that big came on here, no, 100%. If anyone that big came on here, especially if it's damn Jensen Ackles, I might just faint. Oh, I'm waiting for the beep. It feels like it's so close to the beep. I drive the female version, damn. Watch it now, I'll go down and hit my levels. Oh man, okay. Red day for me. I did wait, I was patient. It's fine. Out at half loss, it is what it is. I had my confluences, it's okay. I'm now back into 51. Yeah, boop. Oh well, it's okay. Natural to steal slowly and Jordy won't thought. That's the same question. That new girl that Aquaman got is Flames? I didn't see who the new girl. Rihanna and Avril Lavigne were my two first crushes. Used to MTV when they would be on MTV. That is hilarious. Celestial, what's up? Richard, wow. We are having such a weird conversation right now. Shoot. I was thinking I should have maybe not moved my stop loss. Let's see if this now goes down to be a winning strategy. Oh, thanks, Tyler. It's crazy. Was it back in the day where the TV was like still static if you had to lick it? The amount of volatility, I'll stay away. Oh, cheers, Tyler. Enjoy. I thought you Aussies go crazy for Margot. I mean, there was a few people who were very keen on Margot this morning, just saying. Oh well. If this now comes to take out my TP, I will be a grumpy goose. I have too many. I think I'm on the street. Wow. Oh yeah, she's a staple in the Aussies diet. Wow. Ow. Find her name. No, auntie, I'm not that old. There was colors on the TV as well. I don't believe you, Solly. I think you're that old. Adria Arjona is the name? Well, now I gotta see who she is. Celestial, I'm not having a good day. It's okay. It's okay. It is what it is. Adria? Arjona. Oh, she's so pretty. What the heck, man? Damn, she's beautiful. What even? I'm sorry, people are not allowed to look like that. Market is stabilizing, but rounding out to a bottom of sorts. That's her. If NQ was a person, I bet she'd look like her. Wow. Market stabilizing, but rounding out to a bottom of sorts. Something. Oh wow, that could help. What's that, Celestial? Like I said, if this goes down now to hit my TP, I will be a little bit upset. Because I was even thinking maybe on market days like this where it's a little bit all over the place to not move stop loss is maybe the way to go, but it's okay. Shoot, it just actually kind of bounced off Bob level to Bob level again. Should have kept above Bob level. That's what I should have done. So it's a nice wick off. Let's see it go back down to Bob level again now. It is too. It freaking is going to go down again. Nope, leave it alone. If she was a dinosaur, she would be a Gorgiosaurus. That's amazing. 4,000 pips and running. Start thinking longer. Hey Wade, what's up? How the trade's looking today? Not my day. Sugar honey iced tea. I'm upset about this. This took me out here and is now going to hit my TP. From Game of Thrones, Rebecca from the original, from Teen Wolf now. Widow, Rooney, you know. Whoa. You're unload. What the heck? Might still run down. Runner's still going. Nice. I really like the equal lows as a point of interest. It's okay. It's apparently just not my week right now, and it is what it is. Let me put this in to my trades. A little bit of a wick off there. Like I said, this might still go back down. Volume. I want to say volume's drying up, but it's not actually drying up that much. Just that the buyers are starting to come into play. Interesting. And the sell volume is still a lot, but it's not moving. Okay, so the buyers are just coming to play. I'm in from 9 a.m. as soon as this nice lady on TV show. It's your wife. I must be lonely. Damn, Solly, that's hilarious. I'm in from 9 a.m. This is a turning point signal. Go to the weekly time frame and look at the candlesticks for this week. And right now, it's an indecision candlestick. Tommy, what makes it indecision candlestick? Out of curiosity. 6 people. We asked for one. You must have went long. No, I went short. What do you mean I must have went long? Oh, so what do you mean? He was gonna do more YouTube, just cut him off. Wow. Oh, so did I go long? I did not go long. I'm surprised no one said Sydney Sweeney. Oh, she's pretty. I like her. So this really has become a very weird topic of discussion, but oh well, moving on. Oh damn, still would be, nope, never mind, going to hit. Yeah, noted, okay. Simplify, I'm on the Nasdaq futures. Oh, she's on the list, there we go. Simplify, yeah, sorry, the Nasdaq futures, tis what I'm on currently. And would have been wicked out. Okay, so I need to go and reevaluate my life. After today, good grief. Let's see, if we start to get a reversal, they might be... I could still place one more trade today and it could put me back up in the green, but I also don't want to now go and push it. Let's see. Let's see if we get confirmation to the buy side or not. Let's see if this is potentially the reversal. Back up to maybe VWAP, back up to maybe that 15-minute opening range. I don't know anything about it now. That's the only way my dream shall come true. Damn, fellas, I'm starting to think we may need, like, intervention. Like, I just said I have one main crush, and now we've started this whole thing. Like I said, Jensen Ackles 100% my number one. Number one. Hands down, we'll never argue about that. I mean, the man can sing as well. He's an actor, he damn fine, and he can sing. He's just like the full package. He is awesome. Like I said, if he ever had to, I don't know, if I ever had to meet him, I might... I don't even know what I would do with myself. Definitely going down a lot more. Better not take that buy. Firstly, you think this is going down a lot more? Hey, you are one. How are you? 15 hour, 45 GMT, expect to change direction or become range bound till false Maya, don't lie, you def have more than one. I used to go by Felipe. Oh, what's up, Felipe? How you doing? Welcome back. Did you just change your name? Well, obviously you just changed your name. Oh, disagrees. Oh, we're about to get some drama. But no, I probably have more than one, but he is like the main one. I don't think anyone could ever top him. Am I if Dean? No, I'm not saying Dean. I'm saying like Jensen Ackles as well. Just like him as the actor, as the human being. Not even how he is in Supernatural, just him. Okay, but if he didn't exist, Maya got a roster for sure. For traders, we have like 50% roster, a whole football team. Okay, now I have to think. Like I said, he's always like my number one. Henry Cavill as The Witcher. Yeah, there we go. Number two. He also just has such a cool personality, and he's also a nerd and loves gaming. So he is quite a goodie. I'm so sorry. Today has been like the random chit chat day on Maya's live stream. I'm not hating it. I apologize to anyone that's come in to see some trading happening, and we are busy talking about boys and girls right now. Hey Hector, what's up? How you doing? Can I ask if you're copy trading across many accounts? I am not. Yeah, I'm not. Just this one. Eventually that's my goal, to be able to start copy trading across many accounts, but as of right now, I'm only trading the one account. I got a tan going. Heck yeah, I got a tan going. Thank you. Currently up 150 on MES level. Ooh, nice microwave. Okay. My man. You'll notice how they all have a defined jawline, just saying. Interesting. And nice eyes. My mentor couldn't believe how accurately I picked up the market sentiments for him to place the orders. I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. Oh damn, Superman, no one can beat that. Good pickup, I'm starting. The other one looks like you might have a setup. No. I was gonna say yes. This is a B setup. One, two. This is a B setup for me. This isn't an A+. I have 1, 2. Yeah. Watch it now be awesome, but for me this is a B setup. It's not an A+ setup. I've already had 2 losses today. Yeah, well, 1.5. No, oh, it's still 2 losses. 2 losses today. Let's maybe not go and push it. Yeah, like I said, a B setup for me there. Nice rejection off that level. Watch this now be a winner because I didn't take it. Nice rejection off that shelf and fair value gap there. Naturally, this might be a winner just because I didn't take it. Let's see. Salvador, what's up? I'm so generous. I made 140 last week off my analysis. Damn! Can I see the gold? Hey Ramzan, I could go have a look for you. way to sharpen your jaw. I didn't know that was a thing. Okay, cool. Me and Jordy were both like, what? OTT is hosing himself, and maybe, Jordy, maybe we're just too old to understand. Do I scalp or swing? More of a scalper. Yeah, I'm more of a scalper. I don't know your setups. That's okay. You're the one. Don't stress. No idea what A or B plus is, but next bottom go long for a while. It sounds like SA Scare. Wow. I love how there's like 3 people talking nonsense. There's a chat locked in, guys. This is why we don't have a pink Bugatti. You're the one. You try to help me. It's okay. Like I said, I'm pretty persistent with regards to taking my A plus setups only. It annoys a lot of people, so I do apologize. Not saying I'm not willing to learn and willing to learn from my mistakes and all that fun stuff. Seriously? You know, Solly, today is the day that you could fade me. 100%. Today is the day that you could have faded me and you would have been doing pretty damn well. Why is it long and short and Is it playing out? Yes and no. So, it would have looked like this. So this would have been the setup. So yes, it is playing out. Would have been break even here. And there it goes. And honestly, I feel like today is the day that I need to like fade myself. If I'm like, I don't know about this setup, I should take it. My B setups have been winning today. My A plus setups have not been. Which is really frustrating. Literally all my B setups today have worked out really well. My A plus setups, however... Hey Nexus, what's up? How are you doing? Sorry, I haven't been listening. Why didn't you take the long? It was a B setup. How is this an A+++ setup? Rolf, I did not. It ran away without me. My checklist is simple. You just made me look at my... Whoa! What the heck did I just read? Milo, what? How is this an A++ setup? Plus fading Mile, wow. I would be hurt, but today I get it. Today I get it. It's just not my day. It's okay. Milo, she's an AI. Yeah, clearly I'm AI. No, I was emotional yesterday. I thought that was proof that I wasn't AI. AI can't have emotions. Did I finish my coffee now? Ooh, I have one sip. I think volume is dying out. That was the last attempt, but I did call it. That's the most insane pickup line. I'm stealing that. My all I get slapped. Let's see. Let's read this out loud. Let's see what everyone thinks about this, because this was insane. I mean, I was left speechless. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but I was shooketh. How could your father conjure up such a beautiful cake like you with just 2 eggs? No, don't use it. You might get slapped. I mean, it's definitely an icebreaker, because like I said, I was like, what? Anyways, that long is naughty compared to the L on the left. That is in the middle of a consolidation. See, Solly, how was it an A++? Free damn slap's gonna be landing on side of me. Man, if I had to really think about the gravity of it. That's beautiful, it's poetic. Oh gosh, guys. I must say, today as a trading day has been shocking. It's been not my worst. That Friday we do not talk about, OTT, was my worst trading day in a while. So this has not been my worst trading day, but definitely bottom of the list on trading days. But with regards to the conversations today, guys, today has been wild. Today's conversations have been wild. Did it have anything to do with trading? Just the conversations today have been insane. Honestly insane. Here's gonna be ringing at Shakespeare. Oh, we got Milo. It's actually a good trade targeting engineered liquidity regardless of your rating. This was good. Okay, talk me through it. Why do you say that? Because it went to take out internal liquidity, or what's your thinking? Help me out. Why do you say it was good? Right, just doing a bit of a retest to take out internal liquidity before potentially going back to take external. Is that what you're saying? Is that what you're thinking? Walk me through it, please. Now it changes. While not understanding the gravity of his words. OTT, please use it and maybe film it and let us know how it goes. How about that? I feel like that's a great plan. Waited so long for buy trade and we started pushing with no entry. No, no. Bother. Tell me about it. I'm always keen to learn. Solly, don't come here with your sass. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Solly, you don't even tell me exactly what your, I'm not even 100% sure I know what your trading style is, to be fair. Well, no, that's a lie. I know exactly what your how could I possibly forget? Your father is Mr. ICT himself. My bad. Your trading strategy is ICT. Oh my gosh. I feel like I almost need a timeout for that one. Find someone on Insta and do it. I'll send screenshots on Discord. I'm so scared. Please do it. Please do it. Please do it. Who's my dad? There we go. Yep. My bad. I apologize. I thoroughly apologize. That's on me. My me. My bad. Would have missed me by a tick. Cool. Cool. Okay, but again, wait, where did he go? Are you still here? Are you typing? I'm always, like I said, I always want to learn. What do you see? Is it with regards to the internal liquidity sweep? So do you think this is going to take out the 646 level a little bit further? You know I'm willing to learn, else I wouldn't have these bob levels up. And I wouldn't be forward testing the bob levels. Which actually would have been really solid yet, but it's okay. It's fine. You got this, bro. We're all hyping you up. Please. Hey, what's up, Franks? How you doing? How goes it?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
What up? Big push for internal liquidity grab. I mean, I see what you mean with regards to the liquidity. So you just think it was an internal liquidity grab? Yes? Is that what I'm understanding? No, David, I don't got the guts. Maybe on another live stream and the streamer is a female, then maybe. OTT, just DM someone. Do you not have like maybe... Okay, how about this? Do you not have like a chick friend? Weren't you in a situationship like the other day? Can't you just message them it and see how they react? Even if it's just like a friend of yours, just to be like, I'm testing something out, just to see how they react, because it'll be funny. Aw, that's okay, you're the one. Have an amazing day. If you look on the left of that last low, price respected some kind of order block. If not, it took out a low inducing sellers. Those sellers were engineered, where trendline traders entered positions. Okay. So I'm gonna copy paste this. Okay. So looking to the left. So you're talking about this engineered liquidity here. You're talking about all of this, and then here's the trend line potentially entering on a trend line here for this low. Yes, correct. No, maybe. Sorry, like I said, I am still learning, so bear with me if. Yeah, bear with me. To learn a little something. Buys top side, that's always a good sign to look for buys. Okay. So because of the failure to break below and that they've engineered a bunch of liquidity around here was a good sign to look for buys. Okay. Understood. Got it. Let me send this other girl on WhatsApp. Give me... Ooh, no? Oh, okay. I butchered it. Never mind then. Are you saying further left? Are we looking like left right now? Also, what time frame? What was the grade of the short I took? It was an A, Solly. I wouldn't quite say an A+, but it was an A. Wait, what did the guy say? OTT? Oh, he said, if you look on the left of the last low, but the last low, wait. This left of this last low or this last low? This last low. If you look at the left of the last low, price respected some kind of so price action order block. If not, it took out a low, inducing sellers. Those sellers were engineered where trendline traders entered positions. Wait, oh, you're asking what, never mind, what Milo said. Let me, are you really doing it? Please, 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 please. Let me find, here we go. Shoot, man, I found it and then it came back. Milo, there we go. How could your father, here we go. How could your father conjure up such a beautiful cake like you with just 2 eggs? Let me copy paste this back into the chat. Because that was amazing. Oh wait, there's another one. Are you made of sugar because you're too sweet to be real? Oh my goodness, Milo's still here. I love it. It's a bit difficult to explain without me showing it to you on shot. Elias, do you have Discord? There we go. And what was the grade of the long I didn't take? It was a B setup, Solly. Like I said, the B setups today have been working rather well. The A+ setups today, not so much. The retest into the 50% of retest of the 50% into that range. Like here earlier, this was a B setup that formed around here, and I didn't take it. Yeah. This was a B setup that formed here. Didn't take it. Yeah, that was a B setup. This was the only A+ that formed. Took it. Didn't work out. I think second that setup is a good 50-50 idea if that support holds. Will increase the probability of an upside breakup, but watch out for the slip to the downside first. Be cautious. What, Solly? What's happening? What's the hell now? What happened? Message sent. Even put a red hot. Even put a red hot! OTT, I'm so excited. No Discord, but I can download it quickly. Thank you! Wristwatcher, where am I learning what? Where am I learning what? What you asking about in particular? What, learning my strategy, my setup, my A+ stuffies, yeah? Get bagged. Hello, bad influence. I'm so excited to see what she says. Okay. 9 AM to go long again. What software to learn this? Wristwatcher? Well, if you hop on Discord, there's a lot of stuff happening on Discord. But with regards to this, oh sorry, I've moved ES across slightly. There we go. This is TradingView, and I'm using Top 1 Futures prop firm currently as well. Oh, to learn trading in general. So do you know anything about trading? Out of curiosity? Sally got a mentorship for $750. Instant profitability. He's talking rubbish. Don't believe him. He's talking well, I think so, if he is. OTT! Stop it. Just stop it. This is why people don't believe us. Cash out the funds. Okay, wristwatch. Sorry, ignore him. He's being rude. So, you know a little bit about it. What do you know? What do just help me out so that I can. Like, do you know what candles are? Let's maybe start with that. Do you know what candles are? Something might try to ruin our business. Listen here, listen here. It's supposed to be promoting my business. Okay, okay, cool. Just kidding. Just kidding! Damn, that 50% of the full range is working out now nicely. Interesting. Here was the full range. 50% tagged in. So was a pullback into that 50% level. Okay. So it just needed that pullback first. Of course I would enter on the freaking pullback. Of course. Why wouldn't I? Let's see if this would hit. I mean, this... Yeah. Just yeah. Okay, so you know what candles are. Wristwatcher, are you more interested in day trading, so like scalping, or swing trading, so holding a trade for a few days, or investing? You still yet to make beginner course. No, you're right, you're right. I am busy. I'll just say that. I'm busy. I recently reconnected with two dumb friends from school. They were selling a trading course without ever looking at a chart. Sorry, did you see that? My brain... Oh, my hair's doing weird and wonderful things. I'm so sorry. My brain literally did this. What the heck, man? You lie. Is that real? My script triggered at 6 to 8 short for target 479. Its stop loss was 669. Did you take it? Have you taken it or not really? I'll see that 17-year-old girl selling a course. One of the comments was like, selling courses is the same as starting an only... Wow. So, trading, holding a few... Okay, so swing trading, wristwatcher. I'm not very well versed in swing trading, but that being said, if you also have a Discord, we have a bunch of swing traders in the Discord community that would also be very happy to help you. So I do more of the scalping, some of the day trading situation. We do indeed have a bunch of swing traders in the community. Hey Manav, what's up? How's it going? I can't take it, I'm maxed out on the day. I use Lucid with 50%. Oh, nice, okay. Chris, at least you had a green day. I'm having a bit of a red week so far. I know it's only Tuesday, I'm being very overdramatic, but it's fine. It's a new method for ladies. Can't hate them too much though. Dumb boys eating it up. Damn, guys, what the heck am I doing wrong here? Am I just being too open and honest about things? Should maybe start lying to people. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Maya, join, sell a course, call it Paid Me, Save Yourself. I would be so upset with you if that wasn't absolutely hilarious. Okay. I could buy another account, but still trying to get funded before having 2 accounts. Which are me and you both, but I was $400 away. I'm now like $1,000 away. Like I said, just very, very frustrating, but it's okay. It's okay. No, I did not go have fun. I had another loss here, so I've had 2 losses today, which does suck. And I'm tempted to start doing other silly goose things, which actually might be my sign to not do that. I mean, you're chasing money and have no morals, get into it, free money, but your soul will hurt. You say that, but damn, I can't even get people to get memberships. So clearly I'm not a great saleswoman. Which is why I better get really good at this trading thing. Because clearly sales ain't my thing. Why does... stuck in that range. Okay, no. Be real, any core seller doesn't matter if you're a good trader or a good trader. You have 12k subs, don't make me pull up a side-by-side of the average trading stream sub count. Okay, but again, I mean, subs don't mean much. I mean, obviously they mean a lot, but yeah. Sorry, wow, I'm just being a negative. See, and you said I was gonna get a big head. Do you see how negative I am about everything? I'm not getting a big head. I feel like this thing. Watch those highs get taken out because of the liquidity above those highs. You're thinking this high here, right? You're thinking this internal liquidity is what it's headed for at the 645 level. Is that correct? But having a mentor really does help though. Monday I had a bad, but I'm feeling what? I'm up feeling good. Oh, go have fun. Nice. Okay, see. Well, I'm super chuffed for you. A little bit jealous, but mostly happy. No, I'm joking. Like I said, any boy who tries to stream gets a nice dose of humble. Anyways, what I wanted to say is 100% a whoop whoop to anyone that's had an amazing trading day today. Well done. I am in the red. I'm in the red. It is what it is. We continue. Tomorrow's a new day. We're just gonna continue. Like I said, I'm actually treating this like it's a brand new account. It's not, but I'm treating it like so. So we continue. Full port self. Oh my gosh. English. Great. Hey Rish, what's up? Right, if I had to stream, it would take me 2 years to get to 100 subs. No, it won't. Look at you. Full port self. Take out a loan sale. Yeah, sure. Let's go for it. Why not? Okay, no. You guys are being cheeky. You guys are making me tempted to do really bad things. So I am actually then gonna call it there for today. Bit of a red day. It's fine. Tomorrow's a new day. It is what it is. Gonna go touch some grass. I'm gonna go take my dog for a walk now because it's officially not too boiling hot. So I'm gonna go to the beach, touch some grass, go reevaluate my life choices. No, I'm joking. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to press that like button. Like and subscribe, because apparently that's... Anyways. Any discounts on any of the prop firms in my description. Teach Maya, all caps. Yeah. Any and all support is always welcome. I love you guys madly. I'll see you tomorrow. London and New York open.